What's up, y'all? It's your boy Trippy. Today we're gonna be doing the video on unboxing XForce catback valve. Should I say valve? Because that's the big thing about this. Florida's a pretty lenient state with modified cars. It's not like, you know, California per se. But yeah, we're gonna go over the XForce catback. I do just want to go over really quick over the mods and what I got done with the car. So SC model, it's obviously Moonstone Gray, Leo intake, GE Motorsports, catless downpipe, XForce, full 3-inch catback. We got the stock clutch holding up just fine on 034 stage 2. It's never slipped on me. I did make a video on the diffuser. I'm just gonna skip to the actual like install video.
I'm gonna zip tie the shit out of this thing.
Oh, we got clamps. So exhaust work is going on right now. This is gonna be fucking insane. We got the boy Jack and Jay.
Either way, there's
my girl Floor. So, all right. So we're gonna install this.
See where they're at, you know, the ones
on
the ground.
Are we gonna install this now?
We're fucking waiting on you, this motherfucker.
Bro, I'm like recording. All right, now we're gonna air the car up. So go ahead and do it. Cool. Shout out Grimes. Shout out Grimes. My dog Jack is jacking the vehicle.
We're gonna want, you know, I'm not a small guy, you know.
Neither are.
Space under there.
Hold on, let me. Alright, that's good. Alright, he's loaded. Cool. we don't want that? Alright, cool. Alright. So then what next? Yo, this thing is gonna sound insane. Damn, all our fat asses are gonna fit on.
All this time I thought it was the tips that were scraping.
Hey, this shit hasn't been on there for that long either.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't even think we have to cut anything, bro.
No, but look, down there is where the downpipe ends, and see that's where he did it.
But
he welded it.
We could cut it to avoid taking off the panels and the cross member.
Yeah.
Because then, if we can cut it and get around that, that would be ideal.
Alright, so we're gonna unloosen the hangers for the catback, and the other one is gonna be right there. Cool. Now we're gonna loosen this clamp back here. It's not a 13? Oh, okay, that. So for reference, the bolts for the hangers are 13s. And then once I figure this out, and then the bolt for the socket size for these rear ones is 15. Damn, this is for me scraping my gas tank. Where the fuck did the nut go? Oh, is it in there? Yeah, it is. So, I think I'm gonna just hit it like right here to try to pull it out now.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, bro, this one's loose, but not this one.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Is there a nut on top?
I think this one might be crossed under this.
Slipping out. It's almost out.
Is it?
Yeah, look how much. Look how much it's out.
Yeah. Okay, good.
You might want to maybe. I mean, I don't want it to fall on me. You think we could wiggle that out almost? Oh, we should have put WD. Whatever. There we go. Ooh. Hold on, bro. so we got freaking OU catback out. We're opening up the valved catback. This is the valve muffler. Alright, so now we're gonna assemble the part where it splits into two. The Y pipe, I guess you would call it. So put in the clamp. Well, probably not that deep.
Yeah, probably not all the way, huh?
No.
We'll have to kind of see how the fitment looks.
Yeah, we'll just do it like loose right now. Just kind of like, I guess, sort of tighten it. And then which way do we want the bolt to be?
Probably down towards the bottom like this.
Hold on. Go for it. Now we're bolting on the tips. We got this one on. Alright, update. So we have the exhaust all the way bolted on now. We ran the valve, the wire, I ran it across the brake line, followed this, tied it there, and it's going into the where the spare tire is. The reason I had to drill a hole, I'm going to put a rubber grommet there, but you guys won't have to do that. You can just use those holes right there. Since I'm on air suspension, they're already occupied, so I had to make a new hole. But for the most part, it's pretty much ready to go. I'll show you guys the outside here in a second. Okay, so we got all of this ready to go now. And for the valve, I followed this, what I believe is the brake line. And I just zip tied it, and I followed all along, all the way. I'll show you guys over there, but it's looking pretty good. Alright, so the catback is now fully installed. With the remote, I can only do open and close, I believe. I haven't really looked at the settings, but on the phone, on my phone, I could go to the app and I can adjust the valve to open 25, 50, 75, or 100%. There's actually a lot of options on the app. You could adjust the valve by as little as 1% at a time, and you could use the GPS feature so you can have your valve closed. Let's say when you're pulling up into your neighborhood, you know, you're passing a police station or, you know, whatever. You could adjust it to open and close through GPS signal. It's pretty badass. So right now, this is it closed, and I'll open it right now so you guys can hear it. Alright, so we're here in a secluded area. We're gonna be doing some exhaust revving and a few pulls down the road, open and closed, and we're gonna show you guys how it sounds using the remote. Eco mode now, boys.